when a HydroKleen technician cleans your air conditioner, he uses specifically designed equipment to do the job. And you can see this machine, 9 years of R&D, built specially to clean air conditioners, and you can see that the gun we use, or the wand we use, is specially designed also to clean in places that other not fit for purpose equipment can't get to. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get up there and we're going to clean half the air conditioner. I'm just going to walk you through while I do it. I've actually put the cleaning agent on there, so I'm just going to clean it off. But the first thing that we're going to do is we must clean down the back of the air conditioner, because 30% of the coil that keeps you cool is down here. And that's why you need the gun that looks like that, or a wand that looks like that. So in fact you can clean that. If you have a straight wand, if this is straight, there's no way you can get down the back of that air conditioner to clean it properly. So as a consumer, if you're not getting that part of the air conditioner clean, you're just getting ripped off, because they're only cleaning 2/3 of it. They're cleaning this front bit and it can look nice and clean, but they're not cleaning this bit down the back. And that's as important as cleaning this bit here. So what we're going to do first is clean the barrel fan up in here. So here we go. You can hear the barrel fan spinning, pushing the hot water up the back of the machine and cleaning the back of the machine at the same time. So that barrel fan now is spotlessly clean. So I'm going to start cleaning the coil now, and you can see I'm just going to work the gun along the coil. And you can see when you've got good pressure, good volume, it's pushing that muck all the way through that coil, out the back and down into the catchment bag. As you can see, this is in real time. It's probably taken me a minute and a half to clean that coil back to new again. And the reason we do that is we've got the best equipment in the world, the best wands in the world, the best pumps in the world, the best design machines in the world that will clean these wall splits efficiently and also cost effectively.